Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 29 of Foundations of Shorthand. So for this lesson, we will be studying the symbol for the sound of aya, the word beginnings inter and enter, and the outlines for cities and states in the United States of America. So for the sound of aya, the sound of long I followed by a soft A, as in riot, is represented by the long I symbol, in which the tail of the I is closed as a second circle. So this is the outline for aya. Big circle, and I is closed as a second circle. Sample words are ayati, riot, PR, IR, prior, DRIR, dryer, DRIRS, dryers, TRIL, trial, APLIN, says, appliances, RELINS, reliance, SINS, science, KITW, quiet, KLINT, again, KLINT, client, then capital OBRIN, O'Brien, and capital RIN, Ryan. Okay, so again, that is the symbol for the sound of aya. A big circle with a small circle inside. Okay. For word beginnings inter and enter, we make use of the N symbol. Example, inter, ST, interest, interested, interested, inter, STS, interest, inter, VEU, interview, interviewing, interviewing, inter, FER, interfere, inter, FERS, interferes, inter, VL, interval, inter, nation L, international, inter, UP, TED, interrupted, then inter, DUS, introduce, and inter, education, again, inter, education, introduction. Next, for the enter, we also use the N symbol. Okay, N for enter, entering, entering, enter D, entered, entertain, entertain, entertainment, entertainment, enter, PRIS, enterprise, enter, PRISES, enterprises, then enter NS, entrance, then enter NSES, entrances. Okay. Next, for the United States cities and states, we have capital ISH, Chicago, capital BOS, Boston, capital FELA, Philadelphia, capital SANF, San Francisco, capital LOSA, Los Angeles, capital STLUS, St. Louis, capital DENV, not Denver, capital NOLENS, New Orleans, and capital SATL, Seattle. Then for the states, we have capital MA for Massachusetts, capital EL, Illinois, capital PA, Pennsylvania, capital KA, California, capital MO, Missouri, capital UI, Wyoming, capital GA, Georgia, capital FL, Florida, and capital NI, New York. And similar abbreviations are also used for the following: capital AM, America, capital AMN, American, and capital EUS, United States. Okay, so for lesson 29, we have discussed the symbols for states and cities in the United States of America. Then word beginnings inter, enter, the sound of aya. Okay, so that's the end of lesson 29. See you in the next lesson.